I am Ashok Vishwandas, professor in IIPA New Delhi. Today we are going to discuss about UPSC Civil Service Preliminary Examination 2019 insofar as history of India and national movement is concerned. Nimbarka, Sant Kabir and Sheikh Ahmad Sirhindi. Nimbarka era was sometimes in 12th to 13th century, whereas Akbar ruled India from 1556 to 1605. Therefore, statement 1 is straightway incorrect. Sant Kabir belonged to era 1398 to 1448, whereas Sheikh Ahmad Sirhindi belonged to 1564 to 1624. Kabir was the follower of Nirgun Bhakti. Thus, Kabir died before the birth of Sheikh Ahmad Sirhindi, and there is no possibility of Kabir having been influenced by him. Therefore, statement 2 is also incorrect. So, alternative given at D is the right answer. This question relates to difference between Jagirdar and Jamidar. During Akbar's period, all the territory was broadly divided into two, Khalisa and Jagir. The revenue from the first went to imperial treasury, and that from the Jagir was assigned to Jagirdar in lieu of their salary in cash or nakad according to their rank. Right to collect revenue was to utilize the same for their salary and to meet their military obligation. The judicial and police functions were performed locally by Jamidar. An important feature of the Jagir system was shifting a Jagir holder from one Jagir to another on administrative ground. This system of transfer checked the Jagirdar from developing local routes. Thus, Jagirs were transferable. Jamidar, on the other hand, were hereditary. The Jamidar were present in practically every part of Mughal Empire and held the most significant position in the agrarian structure of Mughal India. The word Jamidar is derived from two Persian words, Jameen, that means land, and Dar means holder. So, this statement 1 and 2 both are incorrect. Therefore, alternative given at D is the right answer. Next question relates to land reforms. Major weakness of land ceiling laws was that they were aimed at individual holdings. It allowed many Jamidars to transfer land notionally to their relatives and thus escape the ceiling. Therefore, statement A is incorrect. The reason for the land reforms was providing land to all landless people, that means redistribution, because landlessness was considered as one of the major reasons of poverty and exploitation. Cultivation of cash crops require much more inputs than just availability of holdings. Cash crops during British time were induced by force, while in post-independence, major transformation for cash crops has happened where capital market access, technology and irrigation were available. After the second 5-year plan, a large number of exemptions for certain category of land such as tea, rubber plantation, orchards, dairying were allowed to promote certain kind of capital expansion. Therefore, this C and D are also incorrect and option given at B is the right answer. Next question relates to identifying which is not a Harappan site. This is a Harappan site, so we have to eliminate this. This is also Harappan site, so we have to eliminate this. This also, this Sogura is an Ashokan era inscription. So, correct answer is C. Next question relates to inscription of Ashoka kings mentioned in which of the following? Kanganhalli is about 3 km from Sannati in Karnataka. It is an important Buddhist site where an ancient Mahastupta was built. It is on the left bank of Bhima, an important excavation site for Buddhist monument. The most important finding of excavation includes a stone sculptured slab bearing the name Ranyo Ashoka. The first inscribed portrait of Ashoka surrounded by female attendants and queens found at this place. Therefore, alternative given at A is the right answer. Next question. Mahayana Buddhism is one of the two major existing branches of Buddhism. It started considering Buddha as a god rather than a great teacher and began worshipping Buddha's image. So, statement 1 is correct. It also has a whole cosmology of gods and goddesses as well as various bodhisattvas seeking complete enlightenment for the benefit of all sentient beings. In fact, the teaching of Manayas are also nothing but treating the path of various bodhisattvas. Therefore, statement 2 and 3 are also correct. So, alternative given at D is the right answer. Next question relates to the forced labor, Vishti. Vishti was form of forced labor extracted by either state, provincial governor or local chief. It also mentioned on Gupta era copper inscription that enlist variety of taxes. Junagadh inscription mentioned Vishti as one of the form of tax, which indicates that it was extracted from Gujarat and Malwa region. Since it was a forced labor in lieu of tax, it was not a wage labor. Wage labor existed in ancient India, but it was not called Vishti. Vishti could be extracted from anyone, not in particular from the eldest of son. So, statement given at A is right. Next question, building of Kalyan Mandapas. Kalyan Mandapas meant to celebrate divine wedding was a notable feature of Vijayanagar kingdom. Therefore, alternative given at D is the right answer. Next question. Here the key point are Amil, Ikta system and Mir Bakshi. Amils were officers deputed to collect revenue during the Sultanate era in North India. Therefore, statement 1 is correct. Ikta system of land control was introduced in India by Delhi Sultans. It was of Central Asian and West Asian origin. Therefore, statement 2 is incorrect. Mir Bakshi, on the other hand, was a Mughal high office in charge of military pay and account. Therefore, statement 3 is also incorrect. So, alternative given at A is the right answer. Next question. Domesticated plants in the new world and introduced in the old world. Cotton was cultivated in India since ancient era. Even Harappan era, evidence of cotton cultivation is found. So is the case with wheat. Wheat has been widely cultivated crop in India since time immemorial. However, tobacco, coca and rubber came to India through Europeans in late medieval or early modern era. All of these originated in South Africa. The process is termed as Columbian exchange, named for Christopher Columbus. It was widespread transfer of plants, animal, culture, human population, technology, disease and ideas between the America, West Africa and the Old World in the 15th and 16th century. Therefore, statement given at A is the right answer. Next question. It relates to Mian Tansen. And which of the statement is not correct? We have to tick that. Let us look at this. Mian Tansen composed Drupad. This is correct statement. So this has to be eliminated. Likewise, he composed songs and therefore this also has to be eliminated because this is true. And Tansen also invented many songs. So this is true, but we have to identify which is not true. So this also get eliminated. So we have this answer. Let us look at this. Tansen was title given to him by Raja Vikramjit of Gwalior. Tansen was a court musician in the Darbar of Raja Ramchandra of Bandhavgarh, which is Rewa in Madhya Pradesh. So this statement that it was given by Akbar, it's incorrect, but we have to tick that statement which is not correct. So we have to tick A. Next question relates to Mughal emperor who shifted emphasis from illustrated manuscript. During Akbar's rule, many manuscripts were illustrated. He got the Persian translation of Mahabharata also. It was during Jahangir's rule that manuscript became less important and individual portrait became more prominent. Therefore, alternative given at C is the right answer. Next question. We have to identify correctly matched pair. Pandharpur is well-known pilgrimage town on the bank of Chandrabhaga river in Maharashtra. So, pair 1 is correctly matched. Tiruchirappalli is situated on the bank of river Kaveri. It was a citadel of early Cholas which later fell to Pallavas, and this pair is also correctly matched. Hampi was the Vijayanagar capital. It is famous for many temples like Vitthal temple and Nandi statue. It is located on the bank of Tungabhadra river, and this is incorrectly matched. Therefore, pair 1 and 2 are the correctly matched. So, alternative given at A is the right answer. I wish you all the best to all the aspirants.